Chicken is awesome. I hope you enjoy.
Hey Sparta, let's go for a walk.
Woof, woof.
What a nice day, Sparta. Let's go to Strawberry Mart.
Woof, woof.
Making my way to Strawberry Mart, walking fast, almost there, but I'm still walking. Na na na, almost there now. I think I'm there now. Yeah.
Come here, I have a deal for you. 3 potato seeds for 4 slices of ham.
Is it okay if I give you my ham sandwich?
Yes.
Woof, woof, woof.
Let's go, Sparta. We need to plant the seeds.
Making my way to my house, walking fast, pace is fast, I'm not there yet. Going back home, gonna plant the seeds.
Hey Sparta, let's go plant the seeds.
Woof, woof.
Making my way back into the house, just planted the seeds. Let's go now, Sparta. Do. Yeah. Okay, open the door.
Get inside! The next day.
Wow, that's one big potato. Should we climb it?
Woof.
A few minutes later.
Hello, my fellow brothers. Today I have a quest for you. Will you take it?
Yes, but what is a quest?
The quest is that there has been a big bad banana trying to kill everyone.
Will I get an award?
Yes, you'll get a $100 gift card from Costco. Here, now you have the honor to fight a banana.
Let me guess. The quest man sent you here to kill me.
Yup.
Well, bring it on, bruh, because you're gonna get wrecked.
Who said dogs can't talk? This is Sparta!
You feed me.
Oh, hello again. It's you. Here is your gift card for Costco. $100 right in your hands.
Sparta, since you did this all for me, I'm spending the gift card on your supply of dog food.
Woof woof.